The oven's been fired up for 2 hours to hit maximum heat, and it's sitting at about 980 degrees Fahrenheit. Using this pizza peel, I'll spread these red-hot coals evenly inside to make space and ensure the heat's evenly distributed. We'll place those beautiful beef shanks in a roasting pan. I'm working with 5 cuts of meat and around 4 pounds of gold potatoes. This recipe is for 4 to 6 people. At this point, I'm ready to marinate the meat. We start with extra virgin olive oil, salt, freshly ground pepper, garlic powder, and the most important ingredient in this pan, a large sprig of rosemary, infusing its aromatic and earthy taste to bring out the best flavors to the beef. Cover it all up with some aluminum foil and pop it into the oven. We'll place the sheet pan right in the middle. Listen closely as that beautiful sound of roasting fills the air. We'll let this bad boy slow roast for a good 5 hours, battling the flames and absorbing all those incredible wood-fired flavors. While we're waiting for it to finish cooking, don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I get to share 30 videos in 30 days featuring recipes using only fire and flames. I'm passionate about wood-fired ovens, and I want to share that passion. I really hope I can inspire others to explore this world of cooking with fire. Alright, 5 hours later, and it's time to wake up our beef. Carefully open the oven door and take out the roasting pan. Remove the aluminum foil. And discard the rosemary. The meat is practically falling off the bone. I'm telling you, this recipe never disappoints, and I could eat this dish every day. That's how much I love meat. The potatoes are especially delicious. They absorbed all the flavors from the combination of all the spices with the rosemary.